Meet the iRobot Roomba Vacuum, your intelligent cleaning companion that's revolutionizing the way we keep our homes spotless. With its powerlifting suction technology, this smart vacuum effortlessly tackles both carpets and hard floors, picking up everything from fine dust to larger debris. Unlike random pattern robots, this Roomba cleans in neat, efficient rows, ensuring no spot is missed thanks to its advanced smart navigation system. Users rave about its exceptional performance on multiple surfaces, with many five-star reviews highlighting its superior cleaning power on pet hair and daily dirt. When the job is done or battery runs low, it automatically returns to its charging station, ensuring it's always ready for the next cleaning session. Integration with Alexa and the user-friendly app makes scheduling and controlling your Roomba as simple as saying, "Alexa, start cleaning." Its smart sensors prevent collisions and falls, while effectively cleaning around and under furniture with ease. Verified customers consistently praise its thorough cleaning ability, with many noting significant improvements in their home's cleanliness. The three-stage cleaning system with dual multi-surface brushes ensures deep cleaning, while the edge-sweeping brush tackles corners and edges. Transform your cleaning routine today. Click the link in the description below to get your own iRobot Roomba and experience effortless clean floors every day.